I have a doubt from so many days.
What is that doubt?
We are breathing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, right? Where does this oxygen come from? Does anybody pump it?
Pumping? Nobody can pump, my friend. The plants will pump.
Bob, plants? How?
Just kidding, Joe. Plants won't pump. They produce oxygen in a process called photosynthesis.
What is meant by photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is the reaction between carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to form sugars, oxygen, and water.
Is it? Can we prove that?
Yes, my friend. Bob won't give any statement without proof.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we can prove the evolution of oxygen with a small experiment. Before doing the experiment, first we will know about the apparatus required for this experiment. Now let us start the experiment. First, take a few pieces of hydrolar plant in a beaker with water. Now, invert a glass funnel over the pieces of plant. Now, let us take a glass test tube and invert it over the narrow end of the funnel. And we will place this setup in sunlight. Wait for some time. We can observe small gas bubbles coming out of the leaves of hydrilla, and all these bubbles are collected at the end of this test tube. Okay, now lift the test tube and check it with glowing paper.
Bob, it is glowing brightly.
Yes, my friend, it is due to the oxygen which is collected from the hydrolar plant.
Thank you very much, Bob.